Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the too many requests on Hoyoverse in Genshin Impact. So the first thing we can do here is, if you're running it on your mobile device, you can actually go into the Play Store and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If it's not updated to the latest version, you can just tap on update. It'll make the appropriate updates. Another thing that you can try is going over to settings and making sure that you're clearing the cache for the actual app, and you can do pretty much the same on your desktop. Another thing that you can do on your computer is, if you're getting this message, go down into the search bar and dial in update, and this will essentially allow us to update our Windows system. So it'll be checking for updates, and you can tick the appropriate updates and make sure that you're running the latest version of Windows. The next thing you will want to try is going back into the official website and uninstalling the program from your computer and going up again to the right hand side, clicking on download, and this will allow you to download the latest version of Genshin Impact. One of the other challenges is perhaps having changed region. So if you have changed your region recently and you're trying to play your game, log in, and you're getting this error message, you may want to use a VPN to access your gaming session, or you'll have to create a new account within that region that you are currently in. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.